This is Oddities.
How are you?
How you doing?
What you got there?
Something I'm hoping to sell. I don't know if this is real, if something like this can be real.
Oh, let's take a look.
Sure, absolutely.
Look at that little
Wow.
cutie.
He kind of looks like someone's grandfather.
He does.
This sort of thing goes back actually over a century and a half. This, I guess, is like a alligator man or something to that effect. But the original ones, the early ones, are called Fiji mermaids.
Right.
P.T. Barnum actually had one on display very famously.
The original one was actually a monkey sewn to a fish.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's
This is
interesting.
an alligator
Right.
and top part.
That almost looks like a monkey's skull, perhaps.
Right.
But I can see why you'd wonder maybe it could be real. I mean,
Right.
the guy did such a great job.
It's at least half real. The back part is probably genuine alligator. I mean, it really is.
Oh yeah, this is real.
I mean, that's absolutely. That's the
the real
nice,
critter
the nice thing to
there.
blend real with the fantasy part. This really has all the makings of a really well done sideshow
Yeah,
gaff.
it's a good gift. It's a real fake.
A real fake.
Yeah.
So, what are you thinking about price-wise on it?
I was thinking maybe around 600.
Would you take like $400?
I'm trying to cover some expenses. How's 5?
Meet you in the middle at 450.
Sounds good.
All right, you got a deal.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. If this had been a real alligator boy, they would have given me a lot more money for it, but I'm happy with the 450.